Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock launch or lock to owners on any iPhones above X. Yes, without doing a jailbreaks at your home, how do you unlock? So this device that came at my shops today to bypass permanently this activation lock so that yes, someone who can be the beneficiary of especially this device. So I don't know actually when we connect with the help of data cable, then it's essential that yes, this device it is lost, etc., etc. So don't worry, either your device is a blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode. In each situation, after accessing the data, see on a especially iTunes, it's essential that so that we can the closets, not required hands here. Just simply we will come on a especially 3 tool now, and just easy procedure I'm telling you. Quickly within a half an hour you will be able to beneficiary of any lock to owner device as a newer user of particular that device. You can be how it can be possible, we will see live here. See this device, all the detail we have got in here. We will come in a toolbox, we will come in the crash analysis, and we will have to delete. So all the file, if we delete from here, then what will happen guys here? See successfully it has been deleted. Fine. Now let me increase the size of mouse so that it will be a more visible guys, otherwise you will have a problem. So yes, we can close. Now see it has deleted all the 8 files here. We can see 8 files have been deleted here. Yes, we can close it and we will go for from here to close. Now we will come on a especially real-time log, all the detail and the history we will clear 8 layers 20 times. We will have to click on a clear and keep clearing, keep clearing, keep clearing, and then latest history that we have a close. Now we will go for here, we will back here and check it out here. I don't know device is coming clear or not. Almost see here on a device in the particulars. Yes, is it visible? Fine, it is just still coming on here. Just we will click on the pause hands till the date of today is coming and we will clear almost, and then of course we can go for OK. Now we have another, that's the cloud database server. We will have to clear some data so that either it is in a Apple database or cloud database on especially from both server we will clear. So tap on this device has been connected. Just we will come to show device console. It's will detect you that it has been locked to owners. Don't worry, of course we will close here, we will clear this one's 8 layers 10 times. So we will have to clear. So after 10 times maybe it will verify to ask once again that this device is locked to owners in that condition. Now it's gradually it's accumulating, so we will clear again and again. Now see it has notified. Fine, we will cancel and we will come on here and we will clear these ones. We will clear all the consoles. So now till the date of today is coming. Now see, yes, now what we will do, just we will come in a toolbox once again here, toolbox, sorry, we will come in especially in 3 tool, and here it's notifying again. So just let me clear. Now here we can see here is a REC mode on this particular this device, so we can execute this thing. Almost it has been declared, so that we can close without making a delay, because we are in a hurry guys right now. Today 2-3 device more I have to unlock. So now here 3 tool, see here we come on here, just simply we will come a smart flash to a special. We will click on a firmware, and when we tap on a firmware, latest beta version of recommendation of this is a 26 point something, say especially see 7i this one. So just we will approach this beta version. So beta version, how do you exactly match to beta version? You will just select the here model number and then we will select this one, and then otherwise directly we will click on a especially refresh option. After tapping on a each easy flash options, here is especially now see 26.04 beta version, that is a 7i. So either you can download or import. So I will prefer to import. I have already downloaded, I kept on my desktop. So let me Now of course we will come to desktop 2, of course we will have this one. So now it has started to verify. On the other hand, of course we will have to select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, otherwise you will have the problem that yes, so whatever data that we have to clear either by a console clearing or by a trace analysis data or time loggings, everything will be retained if any retaining data is inside of that. So we will select those as we select the quick flash mode. Don't select the anti-recovery flash mode, guys, otherwise you will have the problem here. And fixed class also don't select. Here we will select anti-recovery. We will go for here this one, and if we go for here this one, then of course here don't select the fixation of the battery during the health. So otherwise manually this device you will have to put into the once again in a recovery mode, or it will ask you to reboot manually. So that's why actually easily now don't do anything, so just keep watching on this especially, and we will see live until unless it's not notifying the any error. We will not do anything especially particular on this procedure now. So it has been reached on 18%, and see when it will cross more than 30%, then of course we can conjecture imagine that of course it has accepted in a cloud data or Apple database both. So now see it has reached on a 22%. Let's see further what's going to happen here. Now see 22%, yes, 25%. I think almost it will accept it, especially there, guys. And one thing more, I would like to tell you, the while doing everything to your device, especially restart the multiple times, so don't unplug the device, guys. Yes, now it has been raised on a 40% of how quickly and efficiently it's working. Close the multiple apps that you are using in a one times, yes, everything, so that it will work so fastly. Now that we have reached on a 50%, let's see. Sometimes of course it will take much more time also, and this ascending order or descending order can be the proceed on especially desktop by virtue of especially through tool it will detect, and here we can see these things especially on iPhones particular more than 50% we have the cross show. Look at on the physical extensive process, yes, it has been the cross of 50%. So I hope that this device will be unlocked. So today this device will come to my source to unlock, and this is especially on the 13 series, but yes, either it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 Pro Max, and 16 Pro Max. Of course you can approach all the device by a similar strategy. You have seen that I did not attempted to jailbreak the particulars. Data cable is in front of you, everything. Now we are going to see that what's going to happen. Let's see. I don't know is it visible or not, but of course see. Now everything's in front of you guys, so let me have some light. No. Now almost we are waiting on a 52%. Let's see. 2-3 precautions, let me inform you that. Yes, try to always connected internet connections while I slam the functioning through your tool, because it's totally dependent on the Apple data and the cloud database server. If it will reject, then it will give you error. Second thing is, as I try to use the original data cable, that will be a much more it will not create more chances to especially disconnections or disconnect again and again. And third is that try to have especially extra internet connections or hotspots from any device, so that while the proceeding of customize the precise location of the particular if needed, then of course we will execute. And 2-3 crucial steps we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial, so don't skip anything. So just keep a fast forward and watch carefully. Now here just waiting for especially the especially across the 52%. Just still it's rolling here. We can see that it has more than especially 60% we have completed. So almost to see what's going to happen further. It is still taking times, and I have taken your almost especially 10 minutes. So further give me especially 10 minutes more, I request you. And without touching on this device, of course, I will transfer the new mobile ID and password, and then we can operate as a new one. yes device. So let's wait here guys, all the tool is functioning the proper way. 3U tool also actually caught very well, good server, and configured, and imaging PC also, it was not given any error. And now 3U tool, it's the time of this. So let's see what's going to happen. Almost it's taking on a especially time, don't worry, sometimes it will take you time, so don't disconnect. And this firmware can be downloaded. Note down the websites and www.ipsw.vita.coms, ipsw.coms, or apple itself.coms, or of course you can come on a www.3u.coms. Also there is available, and directly from this website with this tool also you can download it, no problem at all. So almost we are waiting for especially further the proceeding of these things. Let's see what's going to happen. Yes, still the waiting. Almost especially 11 minutes we spent here. Similar strategy you will have to apply guys, don't worry. Now it has crossed the 56%, 57%, 58%. Now it's going, of course. So now it has accepted guys, don't worry. Everything is in front of you guys. Now see, I'm not going to edit a clip or part especially from this tutorial because we don't have the much more times. So this was the for your informations, because actually any device, either you have got in blacklisted, stolen, lost mode, or yes, by unfortunately you have forgot the Apple ID password and you are unable to, because this is a common activation logs guys. Why it shows? Because if you forgot the screen passcode, face ID, touch ID multiple times, you will attempt, it will go especially erase the everything and the phone. Because there is a security of advanced security in an Apple device, that if you attempt more than 10 times, then it will erase the everything, and it will stuck on a cloud activation or Apple activation or locked one or so. Be ready for especially this kind of the situation. If you are the beneficiary of Apple device, then especially watch carefully, one day it will be needed. And if you are the professional unlockers, then of course you can have watch carefully step by step and go for execution. You will get a corollary that, oh god, marvelous, how is late can. Yes, it's not a chargeable, it's a totally free of course. And I'm not especially supporting to anyone of a spammer or anyone who is commenting that I'm especially, yes, from the technology welfare, and that we can unlock a special directory by virtue of Apple database server or especially cloud. It's the manual method guys, so just go for manually do a similar things, of course, learn and then go for. So this is only for institution purpose, don't misuse this tutorial guys. Now almost see here 72% we have the rest, and creating a system keyback, so almost it has the almost done guys, and directly maybe it will jump on the 100%. Don't disconnect this with the fix, don't connect to the fixation of the battery, otherwise it will be needed manually to push this device into the recovery. Now look at on the device guys, actually almost we have the completed here. See, scarcely 5% is the remain on a especially screen. Here is a 25%. So which one is especially true? No, now it has done guys. Now see, anti-recovery, this thing is coming the flash down, etc. So what we can have, what I had selected guys, I don't know actually. I had selected the anti-recovery flash mode or quick flash mode, we don't know actually. So it's taking time guys, but anti-recovery, that is a good one also. But in a case, this is anti-recovery flash processing, so we will have to wait here guys now, or we can go for the cancellation, because it will take a much more time. See, erasing, etc, everything's it's asking the much more time. So can we the cancel of ads? Yes, we would like to. So now it has the cancels, so now this device will be rebooted. So no, especially batch activation has been highlighted, we'll go for especially. Now hit this one, so now it has initiated here and it's going. Don't go anti-recovery mode. If you have done so, then yes, after going the anti-recovery, then you have to the cancel in the midst of it, so that it will. Now we can see activation and the skipping setup has started. Fine. Anti-recovery, this is also good mode, but of course the data won't be ever recover. But of course this is a thing that it will take a much more time, because half an more than 1 hour was expecting. So who will especially wait of these kind of the things, especially to the complete whole procedure. So I the cancel of this. Now see, it has started initiate to a reboot, and there is also especially activating. Just within a 20-second cancel of this and go for that. See what's kind of the result is coming here. We will see live. My motive to overcome with this especially and the latest beta version of this especially, and we have already cleared everything. Show now still it's taking time, so we will wait here. Yes, we will wait, and then see here what kind of the result is coming. We are waiting for any error. Any error will come, then of course we will change the internet connection once again. So successfully it has attempted. Now what we will do, just we will go for cancel. We will come especially here deactivation. It will confirm you that this device has been fully unlocked or not. So the wait is basically 6 4 3 3 2 2 1, and let's highlight it. Fine, it has been highlighted. Now deactivation also completed. How quickly it has been responded. Now today this computer is working very fastly, guys. Now we will give the signal by virtue of a special item. What's the saying to that? After assessing the data, is there any doubt that of course it is not locked, unlocked, or locked? We will see here after assessing data what's the saying to the message. Yes, they still it's a white screen is coming, so no problem at all. Let it complete, and then maybe it has assessed 2 times, and now it's welcomed. Fine. Now don't do anything, guys. Don't click on a continue. Simply we will have to the corner, especially sign into. Of course we have the strong opportunity to create the strong password with new Apple ID. How's it possible? Yes, we will wait here. Now what do you say, guys? The creates a new Apple ID. Verify password. Yes, password, verify password. Select the country and the region. Go for term and condition and go for the continue. When we tap on a continue, then what will happen? This ID we can directly transfer on the particular this device. So we came on a hello screens now. We have to do nothing. Just we will select a language here, guys. Select it and see it has once again come on a hello screens. Don't worry. Just we will come on a here. Once again select the language. Show. Yes, now we will go the inside of this. There should be no SIM card. I have already cleared to you. Now see here. Of course, we are waiting for the setting. Yes, now iTunes has given configurations, and that's there is no especially link. So we will wait here. Here we will go for continue with partial setup. Don't go for erase, and see how what happens as it happens, guys. Easy way to your home you can unlock. Now see, here is asking. So once again I would like to show you. Here is saying so that connect to the internet or the sign into your device means there is no internet connection. So let me disconnect and show you. There is no internet connections. Fine. Second things also I would like to tell you here that will come a screen passcode etc. and check it out that yes, screen pass everything is disabled, so there is no chances that this device is not unlocked. Now second things also we will have to insert the SIM card. If the SIM card is not working, then that condition what we will do, guys, we will come especially smart flash options to toolbox. There is a virtual location. We will have to come on the true location of this one. So don't come on especially. Now see, we have a restaurant. So any error will come on while the batch activation, then go for change the internet connection, once again execute. However error will come, so then of course we will use the virtual private networks to the customize of cells area location of your PC or laptop, and then easily you can. So now see, after rebooting with the help of jailbreak, so once again it's stuck on a cloud activation, but it is not glitch. So this is all about, guys, how to like this tutorial. Don't forget leave the feedbacks below the comment box, and if you have any confusion query, then blindly raise the query below the comment box. So the pleasure will be mine. Now no need to enter any special Apple ID on here. Directly we can come in the setting to sign in to, of course we will come in here, and now see directly that we can transfer new Apple ID. I would like us. This is all about. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.